Good afternoon. What a beautiful day it is outside here. Sunny, warm. Hope y'all are doing wonderful. We're going to take a bucket to the Branson today and we're going to be welding some hooks on it. I don't understand why they don't do this at the manufacturer. It's almost like the first thing somebody does when they buy a tractor is put these hooks on. So I'm positive you've seen this done before. The one thing I do want to point out is the hooks are different sizes. I'm using a 3/8 inch hook because all my chains are 3/8 inch hooks. So before you pick out what hook size you want, figure out what size chain you plan on using. The 3/8 inch is probably a little thicker than what needs to be on this bucket, but all my chains for my trailers are 3/8. So that's what we're going to go ahead and stick with. But so anyway, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark the bucket where it needs done, and then we're going to grind it down to the metal so everything will stick. Let that weld get a good nice bead. Let's get started. So we're all ground down to the metal here, and I did a 3-inch spacing from here to here. I see some people weld them straight up against here. I see them out here. I've seen them. It's all preference on where you want to put them. So me, I went 3 inches on the inside. And I want to point out, just because if you're anything like me, you have to double check everything because you always screwed up the first time. These hooks face that way, away from the bucket. If you have it turned around the other way, it's not gonna work. So anyway, let's get them welded up. Well, here's the finished project. You have a 3/8 hook on this side, 3/8 hook on the other side. I'm not going to tell you I'm the best welder in the world, but I feel like it's not too bad. They bond. I haven't had any issues yet. I absolutely love this strap hook right here. Not really sure what they're called. I know I use them for straps. I think I paid all of about $10 at Rural King for that thing. But there's the finished product. Once everything was laid out and I was actually ready to start, I think the entire thing took me maybe an hour from the time I started welding to where everything was cooled off enough to where I could paint it. Thank you all for watching. God bless you.